You've mentioned that as a judge, I mean, you're taking your job very, very seriously and you're studying the case law and what the law is in the various states
Right.
that you're going to be ruling in. So let me ask you, this is one of these questions, like, were you surprised as a judge by the Supreme Court ruling on the Texas abortion law because they didn't follow state precedent the way you're following it, case
Yeah.
law precedent?
No, I thought that decision, look, I have great respect for the institution of the Supreme Court, but we have had throughout our history periods of time when some of the individuals on the court are not worthy of our respect. And what I see with this court, particularly with this decision, is I see they are political hacks. I see they are dishonest, and I see they are secretive, gutless. And what I mean by that, they're political because they get appointed based on a particular political point of view on an issue such as abortion. There is no question with the Federalist Society submitting a list to the Trump administration, these are the people you can appoint. So right away, these people were selected because of what they would rule on Roe versus Wade. I say, so that's how they are political. And I say they are dishonest because every one of them that was appointed testified under oath before the United States Senate that they would honor precedents. Every one of them. We can look at the video of them saying that. I will respect precedents. And not the first thing, but within the first few months of their term, what do? They do everything to, in a sense, overrule Roe versus Wade. So they lied. That's why they're dishonest. They're gutless because they didn't hold hearings. They didn't have oral arguments. They didn't have any substantive discussion, nor when they gave their opinion, did they tell why they ruled the way they did. So the public is left in the dark and the courts are left in the dark, the courts under the Supreme Court. How are they going to rule in the future? Because we don't know what the reasoning is. This was a disgusting, and not to mention the disrespect this court has for women. You are basically saying that a woman is not to have control over her own body. I believe that the Texas legislature is, in a sense, the American
Taliban? Is that what you're saying?
Taliban, right. They're the American Taliban. And except for the absolute violence, if you remove that, virtually everything is the same. Whether it's the Texas legislature or the Taliban, that women are not to be respected. You have to follow the dictates of this particular religion. We won't respect elections. We won't respect the media. We'll cut off the free media. We'll call them the enemy of the people. The only way that you can tell the difference between Texas Republicans and the Taliban is that the Taliban wears masks.
Very good point. Yeah, very good point. Now,
Wow.
you were the mayor of Cincinnati. Pardon?
I said a mic drop.
Yeah,
That was
mic
awesome.
drop. That was, yes. I so respect your opinion.
Me too.
And you were the mayor of Cincinnati and you ran for governor of Ohio. And
Yes.
I think there's another Ohio race that's going to be coming up. Would you consider, I mean, you're a judge. Would you consider now running for governor?
No.
Ohio could use you.
I'll move to Ohio and vote for you.
Thanks, but there are a lot of people. I'm 77, and I think I'm too old. I mean, that it requires an energy, and plus, at my age now, our grandson has become the center of our lives. I want to be able to so much time has been devoted in my family to my career, to my, it's, I'm still very active. I contribute money, I give speeches, I support campaigns. So I'm very active, but I don't need to be the candidate. And I'm not even living in Ohio right now. So it would result in me moving back. And it's just, would I love the job? Well, sure. For my interests, that's a great job to have. But it's not about the job I would like to have. I can't honestly say that there aren't people more qualified to be governor. I'm very happy to offer my 2 cents.
Mhm.
I'm not shy about opinions, but they're younger people that will have the energy and be around for a long time, so